Let me introduce myself. My name is Wahyu Trisno Mukti from Class Accounting 23A Universitas Technokrat Indonesia. So on this occasion I will provide material about incoming letters in the agenda book and their recording. Incoming and outgoing mail agendas are important notes in office administration that are used to record all letters received and sent by an agency. The incoming mail agenda records information such as the date received, sender, and brief contents of the letter, while the outgoing mail agenda records the date the letter was created, the recipient, and the subject. The main purpose of this letter agenda is to document all correspondence in an orderly manner, facilitate letter tracking, support the archiving process, and ensure that each letter can be followed up properly. In addition, the letter agenda also increases work efficiency, accountability, and order in document management, both manually and digitally. Initial steps in recording incoming mail in a modern agenda book. 1. Record the date the letter was received. 2. Record the date stated on the letter. 3. Record the letter number. 4. Record the sender's name, institution/company. 5. Record the subject of the letter, brief description. 6. Record to whom the letter is forwarded. 7. Record the archive code for storage or classification. Below is the recording for 5 companies. 1. Point Gemilang Asri. Date received, April 9, 2022. Letter date, February 9, 2022. Letter number, 109/9/2022. Sender, PT Gemilang Asri. Subject, cooperation offer. Forwarded to Marketing Department. Archive code, 100.00.02. 2. ASRI Furniture. Date received, August 9, 2022. Letter date, June 9, 2022. Letter number, 045/9.02/2022. Sender, SRI Furniture. Subject, shipping notification. Forwarded to General Affairs Department. Archive code, 300.02.10. 3. Point Buana Sejahtera. Date received, August 9, 2022. Letter date, June 9, 2022. Letter number, 145/9/2022. Sender,
Definition
PT
and development
Buana
of audit.
Sejahtera.
1.
Subject,
Definition of audit.
payment invoice.
An audit is an
Forwarded
independent
to
process
Finance
of
Department.
examining and
Archive
evaluating
code,
financial information,
200.00.00.20.
statements, systems, or operations of an entity to
4.
ensure that the information
Point
is
Rama
accurate,
Sakti.
complies
Date
with
received,
applicable standards,
October
and
9,
reflects the actual
2022.
condition.
Letter date,
Beyond financial statement
August
audits,
9,
it includes
2022.
operational,
Letter number,
compliance, and IT audits. Expert definitions.
56/9/2022.
Arntz, Elder,
Sender,
and Beasley.
PT Rama
2017
Sakti.
audit is a
Subject,
process providing an
shipping
independent
notification.
professional opinion
Forwarded
on
to
financial
General
statements
Affairs
prepared by
Department.
management.
Archive code,
Moyati, 2013 audit is a systematic examination of
300.00.10.
financial statements
5.
to determine compliance
Point
with generally
Batara Sejahtera.
accepted accounting
Date
principles,
received,
GAAP.
September
2.
14,
Objectives of audit.
2022.
The main
Letter
objective
date,
is to offer
December
assurance
9,
or an opinion on the
2022.
fairness of
Letter
an
number,
entity's financial statements.
098/9.2/2022.
Ensuring statements are free from material
Sender,
misstatements. Evaluating
Batara
efficient and
Sejahtera.
effective resource
Subject,
use.
complaint.
Verifying compliance
Forwarded
with laws
to
and regulations.
Marketing Department.
3.
Archive
Types of
code,
audits. Financial audit. Reviews financial statements for fairness and
100.01.10.
adherence to
After
accounting
recording
standards.
the incoming mail data
Compliance
in the
audit.
digital agenda
Ensures
book,
conformity
the next
with
step is to
applicable
archive
laws
the
and
letters.
regulations.
1. Create a
Operational
folder
audit.
in Google
Assesses
Drive.
efficiency
Create a
and effectiveness
folder,
in operations
cabinet,
and resource
based
use.
on the archive code
Forensic
written
audit.
on the incoming
Investigates
letter.
fraud or
2.
financial
Scan the physical
irregularities.
letter.
IT
Use
audit.
the Cam Scanner app to
Evaluates
scan the
information
letter.
systems for security,
Save it in PDF
efficiency,
format with a
and
clear
compliance.
and proper file name.
4. Audit
3.
process.
Upload to
1.
Google Drive.
Planning.
Upload the
Understanding
scanned
the entity
file to the
and
appropriate
identifying
folder
audit
in Google
focus
Drive
areas.
based on its
2.
archive code.
Gathering evidence.
For copy the
Collecting
file
relevant
link.
audit evidence
Right-click
via
on the PDF
interviews,
file,
documents,
select
or
Get
observation.
Link.
3.
Change the settings
Conducting
so
audit.
anyone with the link can
Performing
view.
tests,
Then copy
evaluating
the link.
evidence, and
5.
identifying
Paste
risks.
the link into Excel.
4.
Paste the copied link into the archive link column in the Excel version of the incoming mail agenda book.
Follow-up. Ensuring audit
Initial steps
recommendations
in
are
recording
addressed
outgoing
appropriately.
mail in a
5.
modern agenda
Development
book.
of audit.
1.
Audit
Record the
practices
date
have
the letter
evolved
was
with
created.
technology,
2.
regulatory
Record the
changes,
letter number.
and business
3.
complexity.
Record
IT
the
and
recipient of
technological
the letter.
advances.
4.
Increased
Record
need
the
for
subject
IT
of the
audits
letter.
focusing on
Brief
system
summary.
integrity and
5.
data security.
Record any related
Risk-based
previous
auditing.
correspondence,
Prioritizing audit
if
areas with
applicable.
higher risk
6.
of error
Record
or
the
fraud.
archive
Audit
code
software.
for digital
Use of digital tools
classification and
improves
storage.
speed and
Here
accuracy.
is the recording for
Sustainability
5
audits.
outgoing letters.
Reflect growing
1.
focus on environmental and
Graha
social
Bahana.
responsibility.
Date.
Globalization
September
and
15,
standards.
2022.
Emphasis on
Letter
international
number
audits guided by IFRS and ISA for cross-border consistency.
9/2022.
6. Challenges in auditing.
Recipient.
Despite its
P.T.
importance,
Graha Bahana.
auditing faces various
Subject.
challenges.
Housing offer.
Complex transactions.
Related correspondence.
Auditors must understand
Archive code.
intricate financial arrangements.
100.00.10.
Regulatory shifts. Definition and development of
2.
audit. 1.
Bank
Definition
BNI.
of audit.
Date.
An audit is an
September
independent
16,
process
2022.
of examining and
Letter
evaluating
number
financial information,
061
statements, systems,
MCP
or operations of an entity to ensure that the information is
9/2022.
accurate,
Recipient.
complies with applicable
Bank
standards,
BNI.
and reflects
Subject.
the actual condition.
Payment commitment.
Beyond financial
Related
statement audits,
correspondent.
it includes operational,
2.
compliance, and IT
Bank
audits.
BNI.
Expert
Date.
definitions.
September
Lawrence,
16,
Elder,
2022.
and Beasley.
Letter number
2017 audit is a process providing an independent professional opinion on financial statements prepared by management.
Recipient.
Moyati.
Bank
2013
BNI.
audit is a
Subject.
systematic examination of
commitment.
financial
Related
statements to determine
correspondence.
compliance with generally accepted accounting principles. GAAP. 2.
2/OXXI/2022.
Objectives of audit.
Archive
The main
code.
objective is to offer assurance or an opinion on the fairness of an
200.01.20.
entity's financial
3.
statements.
Point
Specific
Begawan.
objectives include
Date.
ensuring
September
statements
18,
are free from
2022.
material misstatements.
Letter number
Evaluating efficient and effective resource use.
62/MCP/9/2022.
Verifying compliance with laws and regulations.
Recipient.
3.
P.T.
Types of
Begawan.
audits. Financial
Subject.
audit. Reviews
Goods receipt
financial statements for
notification.
fairness
Related
and adherence to
correspondence.
accounting standards.
Archive
Compliance
code.
audit. Ensures conformity with applicable laws and
300.02.10.
regulations.
4.
Operational audit.
Toko
Assesses
Kinkana.
efficiency and
Date.
effectiveness in
September
operations
20th,
and resource use.
2022.
Forensic
Letter number
audit. Investigates fraud or financial irregularities. IT audit. Evaluates
63/MCP/9/2022.
information systems
Recipient.
for security,
Toko
efficiency,
Kinkana.
and compliance.
Subject.
4.
Ceramic
Audit process.
delivery complaint.
1.
Related
Planning.
correspondence.
Understanding the entity
December
and
8th,
identifying
2022.
audit focus areas.
Archive
2.
code.
Gathering evidence. Collecting relevant audit evidence via interviews,
100.01.10.
documents,
5.
or observations.
Point ASRI
3.
furniture.
Conducting audit.
Date.
Performing
September
tests,
23rd,
evaluating evidence,
2022.
and identifying risks.
Letter number
4.
66/MCP/9/2022.
Preparing a report with findings, conclusions, and opinions. 5.
Recipient.
Follow-up.
PT
Ensuring
ASRI
audit
furniture.
recommendations are addressed
Subject.
appropriately.
Order.
5.
Related
Development
correspondence.
of audit. Audit
August
practices
15th,
have evolved with
2022.
technology,
Archive
regulatory
code.
changes, and business complexity. IT and technological
100.02.10.
advances.
After
Increased
recording
need for
the incoming
IT
mail
audits
data in
focusing
the
on
digital
system
agenda book,
integrity and
the
data
next step
security.
is to archive the
Risk-based
letters.
auditing.
1.
Prioritizing
Create a
audit
folder
areas
in
with
Google
higher
Drive.
risk of error
Create
or
a
fraud.
folder
Audit
cabinet
software. Use
based
of
on the
digital
archive
tools
code
improves
written on the
speed
incoming
and
letter.
accuracy.
2.
Sustainability
Scan the
audits
physical letter.
reflect growing
Use the
focus
Cam
on
Scanner app to
environmental
scan
and
the
social
letter.
responsibility.
Save it in PDF
Globalization
format with a
and
clear and
standards.
proper file name.
Emphasis on international
3.
audits
Upload to
guided
Google
by
Drive.
IFRS
Upload
and
the
ISA
scanned
for
file to the
cross-border
appropriate
consistency.
folder in Google
6.
Drive based on
Challenges
its
in
archive
auditing.
code.
Despite
For
its
copy
importance,
the file
auditing
link.
faces various
Right-click on the
challenges.
PDF file.
Complex
Select
transactions.
Get link.
Auditors
Change
must
the settings
understand
so anyone with
intricate
the link can
financial
view.
arrangements.
Then copy the
Regulatory
link.
shifts.
5. Paste
Definition
the link
and
into
development of
Excel.
audit.
Paste
1.
the copied link
Definition of
into the
audit.
archive
An
link
audit
column
is an
in the Excel
independent
version of
process
the incoming mail
examining
agenda
and
book.
evaluating
That's
financial
enough explanation for me
statements,
regarding the entry letter
systems,
in the modern
or
agenda book.
operations of an entity
If
to
there are
ensure
errors
that the
in the delivery
information
of the
is
material,
accurate,
I apologize.
complies with
Thank you.
applicable standards, and reflects the actual condition. Beyond financial statement audits, it includes operational, compliance, and IT audit.